إن الحمد لله ثم الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى أهله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فالسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. We welcome everyone once again to Halal Dollars free training and coaching program. Inshallah, today we will be learning how to build profile websites for service providers. So the assets we are going to be needing are first our names, then the profile picture. For the profile picture, is going to be the one without any background. We've learned how to remove the background from our profile pictures in the past. So then what you do, then your phone number, your email, and lastly your portfolio. So what I intend by portfolio is those designs we make for our posts. We've said that we should be doing 3 of it for Instagram and 3 of it for Facebook every day. So we would need all those designs now to put them on our website. As usual, we are going to go to our website. In my case, it is yusuf.hdwebsite.com. .info. So this is my website. This is how my website looks like. Do you understand? Remember that our home was the first one we did for our restaurant. So that home, whenever you click on your website, it is whatever you have in your home that will be there. So what we want to be in our home is actually our profile website, not this one. So we just used our home just for the sake of explanation. So you have already duplicated the website for the person we did it for. In the case of City Grill, we've already actually duplicated his own website. So if I for example write /City Grill, you would see that it's going to take us. So this is City Grill's website. You can see. So City Grill's website. So however, what you can see, and it is /City Grill. So any customer you want to do, we've explained how we are going to achieve this / whatever the customer's name is. So that one will be / something, but your own personal profile website is not going to have any /. We are going to take away the /. So we've taken away this /, and this is what we have. Now that we have this, what we want to do is that we want to start editing it. So for us to start editing our website to what we want, we are going to put /wp admin. So we'll go to our dashboard that way. So as usual, we are going to need to log in. So I've logged in yesterday, and I asked it to remember my password. So that's why it's like this. So I'll just click on login. So you too should do the same, so you have a easy login process. So you need to be typing it all the time. Now we're in our dashboard. So as usual, you go to your pages. So we go to home, and we come to edit with Elementor under our home. So it is our home page we want to edit now. So now that has been loaded, so the next thing we are going to do, just as I've explained the last time, is that anytime we have our website and we want to design something else, we just delete the existing one. So we just press this X here to delete the section. So we are going to delete everything that is there. So it's now blank, and we update. If we don't update, it's not going to save it. So once we update it, it has saved it now. So now that we have deleted everything, we are now going to start creating our profile website. So we go to the starter template. So we click on it. So then we search for portfolio. Okay. So this is the one we want to use, personal portfolio. So once it's done loading, we click import template. So it usually takes a while to import. So once it's done importing, I'm going to resume the video. So it has imported completely. So the very first thing we are going to do is that we are going to change the image. So we have our image that we have removed the background from. So we'll go to uploads, select, I will select the image where it is on our system. So this is the one without the background, so I'll select it and I'll click open. So once I'm done, I'll click insert. So perfect, my image is being loaded. So yes, this is what I want. So it has loaded my image here. So I am a website designer. I'm website designer Adisa Yusuf. So sorry, Yusuf comes first, your first name first. Yusuf Adisa. Good. So with respect to the content we are going to use here, we are going to be needing our copyscape to do it. And we're also going to search for website agencies. Website agency. Let's say in USA. It could be in New York, anywhere. Just it could be in New Zealand. Just basically any location. Just look for website agency. So don't click on any of the ads. Go down below the ads. So this is the way where we want to look for. So we click on any ones that are not ads. So if you want to know the one that has ads, you see AD in front, AD in front, AD in front. So we are not clicking on them. So we are looking for the ones that don't have any AD before them. So now this is a list of top websites. So if I visit one of them now, so this is a website. So this is not what I want. So what I want to do is I want to create content from what they are saying. So I'm just going to copy what they have on their website and I'm going to rephrase it. So let me look for another one. So okay, good. So I see this. We are web designers, developers, project manager, and digital. So this is something nice. Do you understand? So we just use their content. So we copy this content. We are not copying it exactly. We go to copyscape. Sorry, copy.ai. I'm sorry, not copyscape. So you log in. So once you're logged in, so you create new project. So the content we copied here, copy, you bring it here and you paste it. Right, Ctrl V. Then you now press enter and you rewrite the following. So you are giving it an instruction to rewrite and you put a colon there. So and you put Yusuf in front as your brand. So then you change this friendly to professional. Then you create content. So we have we are. So let's change this we are to I am. So we'll just change it to I am. So we are a full website design and development agency dedicated to solving business challenges. We focus on helping our clients build effective web-based services that deliver measurable business results. This is nice. So I can just copy it, Ctrl C, and I'll go back here and I'll paste it. So paste it. So then I'm just going to tweak a few things. So I'm just going to change it to I am instead of we are. Since it's just one person, I am a full service website designer. So there's no need for this last one. So dedicated to solving your business challenges. I focus. So it's not going to be we focus now. It's going to be I focus on helping my clients. So basically we're just using it's not rocket science. My client build effective web-based services that deliver measurable results. Perfect. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to update so I to save what I've done. So the very next thing we are going to do now is to come to this learn more. So this learn more, we're going to change it to, instead of learn more, we're going to change it to message me. So the link here is going to be our email. So once they click on it, it's going to direct them to our email. So you type MAILTO, mail to, then you put a colon, then your email address in front of it. So I'm going to go and get my email address. My email address is yusuf.websitedesign12@gmail.com. So that's it. So whenever they click message me, it's going to prompt them to send a mail to me. So I'll update it. So we are done with this first section. The second section is about me. So we are going to write something little about ourselves. So I can just use some of what I used there. I am a full service website designer dedicated. Let me just copy it, sorry, so we won't waste much time. I'm a full website designer dedicated to solving your business challenges. Interesting. And Ctrl V. So that's it, sir. So now we want to write other content here too. So this contact me too, we are going to work on it, but these other content we are going to write it. So we go back here again. So we can use another one. So let's see what they so they have our process. So we are a top focused in giving results. So let's just copy it basically, and we'll write it here. So we'll tell it to rewrite it. So Ctrl V, professional, continue, create. So we are going to ask you to rewrite it again for us. So we are a trusted digital agency that has earned a reputation by delivering results. We focus on big and small. Let's look further. Okay, this is nice. So you're seeing Yusuf as a brand. We're not using that, so we can write that here. So you just paste it. So you can just say I offer creative design. I offer creative design driven solutions at a great value. Our insights. So it's not going to be our insights, it's going to be my insight. And expertise allows me to deliver results that exceed your expectations. So update. So then we are going to write another text here regarding it. So let's just write I am so let's just get a header that we can use. So we'll go back to copyscape here. We look for hero, HERO. So landing page hero text. So if you click on it, so we're going to this text, we're going to take it away. So we're going to use the text we used the other time here. This text, I'm a full stack, so let's use it, and we'll use it to regenerate. Okay, we ask it to create content. So I like this, solving your business challenges. So introducing. So you bring it here. So we paste it here. Controversy solving. So we want to talk about solving their business challenges. So we'll write Yusuf here. Alright. We'll paste it, solving your business challenges. As a website designer. So I'll copy all of this. However, we're not doing landing page here, so just close it off. So let me just copy this, Ctrl C. So what I want to go for is value proposition. So and I'll create it. So business service for web designers and small businesses. So this is I'm a website designer. We help small and large businesses to grow and succeed by giving them first class. So this is nice. I like it. So I paste it here. So let's look for something else to put here. So let's see. So let's use this for the lower part. Ctrl C and paste it here. Ctrl V. So instead of we believe, so it's going to be I believe that there is always a better solution. Solving your business challenges is always a better solution. I am always available to solve your business challenges. So I think this is good. So all we have left is this. So we look for another content that is not too much. So we can copy this. I like this, so I'll bring it here. I paste it. So get a website that stands out. Over 70% of your site visitors make a decision based on your visual impression. Let's make sure they choose it. So this is nice. So we have done that. So we update it. Then we go to the contact me here. So we do the same thing we did here. We want to change it to this mail, so we just copy it here. Ctrl C. We go back here again. Then we paste it. Ctrl V. So and we update it. So whenever they click on it, it's going to direct them to mail me. So the services I provide. So just there's no need for us to use copy skip. Okay, let's just use it since we can use it. So you just search for it. So what services I'm providing as a website designer. So we ask it to create. Okay. So this is it, website design service. So I can do that here. Control V, website design service. So what service I'm providing? Website design service. Start your company with a beautiful website today. Reliable, professional, affordable, and fast. So just the way we did before, what we do is we do what? Sales. Just as we wrote on Facebook. Sales expert. So just sales expert. So the next one after sales expert is lead. Sorry, let me write that right. Lead generation expert. And so instead of web development, we have website design. So now we need content for each of them. So we'll go to Copyscape again to do that. So as for the content, we'll go to Copyscape to create it. So let's update first to ensure that all what we have done so far is saved. So we go again to Copyscape. So we look for website design. We already have something about. I know that website design is bureaucratic and might not already be sure exactly how to describe what service you need. This covers the most services. No, this doesn't go well. Let's just try it out. So sales expert. So we just look for sales expert. Sales expert for small businesses. So you create content. Unlock your sales potential. My name is Yusuf and I'm a sales expert. So this is fine. So I copy it, I come here, I paste it. I prefer to paste it on the left. So the Yusuf wasn't spelled well, so I'll spell it well. So I think that's okay. We update it. The next one is lead generation. So we'll come here, lead generation. So we click on create. So this is good. Platform design specific. It's not like we're a platform. We're not a platform. Okay, so this is nice. We don't have a platform. It's fun and enjoyable to build mailing list business for yourself, but sometimes okay. To start a conversation, we ask for your first name. This. Okay, this is perfect. This is very okay. So we paste this here too. So then the next one is website design. So you come here, website design. Website design for small businesses. So you create another content for it. So this is it. So for the previous one that I did, I didn't check it out for how it's used. So I'll check out generate with this. So instead of our proving, it's going to be my proving. Proving strategy to get more sales. Lead generation. So it's going to be using my lead generation strategies. I will show you how to build relationships with your target audience so they trust you to respond to your video as well as to. So I think that's perfect. As for this one, professional website design for a business. Your website is okay. The first sorry. Okay, so we're perfect. So instead of our, so it's going to be my design process tailored to, so you can have. Okay, so we have our content. If not because I was trying to explain it, so it would not take this long. So the next one here is our work process. So for this work process, we can delete this one. It's just an icon. So you pressed delete. So our work process. So something about work process here. Did I? Yes. So this is their work process. So we can just copy this one, take it to copy.ai, paste it, create. So once, okay. So let me just use this. So we are just going to change it into the wordings we want. So but it helps us. So partner with me and join. Partner with me and join. Let me just remove this. So as a digital marketing partner, partner with me and join an agency that elevates your business. As a digital marketing partner, align. This doesn't look right. This doesn't look right. Let's just try another one. Let's not waste time. So we try another one. So let's use this. Interview partner with a top website designer. Website designer. Just say I partner with established brands, growing startups and social media enterprise. Okay, do go good as to define the next generation of business. Okay, so I think this is fun. So work experience. As a web site designer. So create content again. So this is fine. So I'll just put that here. Okay, so we'll delete this section. We only have 3 skills. 1, 2, 3. The first of the 3 skills is website design. Now we don't need this here, so we're going to just delete it here. Backspace. We don't need this here too. So we backspace it. So website designer, lead generation expert, and sales expert. So those things we've written about each of them, we can just write. This is for sales experts. Just write a part of it. The next one, lead generation. Okay. So I just take a part of it and you put it here. And let me reduce it. Okay, then for the website design too, we come here. So we come here, we put it here. So I think we are done with that. So we can just, this is not web developer, is website designer. So you can increase it a bit, then you update. This other one is lead generation. Change it to lead generation expert. So you can increase it here too. And the last one is sales expert too. Sales expert. So you can increase it a bit too. So you update it. So we are good to go. So now that we are done with that, we are going to go to our portfolio. So you can just tell them, have a look at some of my website designs. So we are going to be using the website designs we did for the other time. So we are just going to click here. So you see the 5 images, so you delete them. So you now add to it. So now we want to edit the website. So now I want to edit our gallery. So we come here, we click on it, so you edit the gallery. So we are going to add to gallery. So we'll look for our images. You click on upload, select the images you have designed. So the images I had designed, I'm going to open them now. So we expect you to have designed at least 3 images for Instagram, 3 images for Facebook, and even more by now, since we said you should be doing it every day. So I'll just go to the portfolio and I'll select these 3 and I'll open them. So once it's done loading, I'll add them to the gallery. So let's hold on a bit. Once it's done, I'll resume the video. Okay, it's done. So I'm going to add it to gallery. So I'm going to delete those other ones that were there before. So I insert and you click update. So we have our designs here already. So for these clients, we don't have clients now. So what we are going to do is that we are going to right click and we are going to save as template. So when we save it as template, we will save it as testimonials. So when we start having clients to work with giving us testimonials, then we'll add their testimonials in. But for now, we don't have one, so we'll save it as a template and we'll come and take it later. So we'll delete it. So we'll delete this section. So, and this one too. So the last one is for them to stay in touch. So for them to stay in touch, you can just ask them to what? Or contact me. So we'll be giving them our contact details here. So our email, Yusuf.website designer, the website design 12 at gmail.com. Then then you add your phone number. So +234 7012. So I've left my contact details for them to contact me. So and that's all. So I'll update it as usual, and once it's updated, I'll preview it. So perfect. So our website is ready. So I have my website that I can show people who want to ask for my service, and they will go through it. So the more of these designs you do, you add them here. You keep adding them. So we are done now. So we'll now go back to our assignment. So for our assignment, we are going to create our profile website for our niche. So now, when you are creating your profile, instead of the way I wrote small businesses, you should be specific. If it's for example, pharmacists, you should write it there. I create website for pharmacists. Do you understand? I don't want anybody copying me. That's why I didn't specify. So I want you to pick a niche and you are going to create it. So your content, instead of it being small businesses, you are going to change it to that specific niche. So on your Facebook page too, it's going to be to a specific niche. So when we say lead generation, when we wrote lead generation for maybe e-commerce brands, it's now going to be specific that lead generation for restaurants. It's now going to be sales experts for restaurants. Do you understand? So you are going to specify it if you are dealing with restaurants. If what you are dealing with is pharmacists, you specify it. If what you are dealing with is dentists, you specify it. If what you are dealing with is electricians, you specify it. Do you understand? So you do that. So you update your Facebook now to be niche specific, such that by the time we start sending our proposals out and we start pitching, we are most likely to have conversions. So we ask that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala makes it better understood and said. So please don't forget to like, subscribe and share subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik nashhadu an la ilaha illa ant wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilaik. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.